From bustling cities to quiet suburbs, the aroma of fast food wafts through the air, a testament to our insatiable appetite for convenience and flavor. The allure of a quick, tasty meal is hard to resist, drawing people from all walks of life to these ubiquitous establishments. McDonald's, KFC, and Domino's, titans of the industry, have woven themselves into the fabric of our daily lives. These brands are not just restaurants, they are cultural icons, representing a lifestyle of speed and efficiency. These fast food giants serve billions of meals each year, satisfying cravings and fueling our fast-paced world. The sheer volume of food produced and consumed is staggering, reflecting the immense scale of their operations. Their logos are instantly recognizable, their menus etched in our minds. The golden arches, the Colonel's face, and the domino tiles are symbols of comfort and familiarity, promising a consistent experience no matter where you are. But behind the bright lights and catchy slogans lies a complex and often controversial system of mass production. The efficiency of these operations is a marvel of modern engineering, yet it raises significant ethical questions. The demand for fast food is staggering. Long queues and bustling drive-thrus are common sights, illustrating our collective reliance on these quick-service restaurants. Millions of people around the world rely on these chains for affordable and readily available meals. For many, fast food is not just a convenience, but a necessity, providing a quick solution to the demands of modern life. Whether it's a quick lunch break or a family dinner, these companies have positioned themselves as go-to options for people from all walks of life. The social aspect of dining at these establishments cannot be overlooked, as they offer a communal space for people to gather and share a meal. But this convenience comes at a cost, raising questions about the ethical and environmental implications of feeding billions daily. The environmental footprint of fast food is significant, from the deforestation required for agriculture to the mountains of packaging waste that end up in landfills. As we continue to indulge in this fast food phenomenon, it is crucial to consider the broader impact on our planet and society. McDonald's, the undisputed king of burgers, has perfected the art of mass production. Every day, millions of Big Macs are assembled with remarkable speed and precision. The process is a well-oiled machine, with each ingredient carefully sourced and prepared to ensure uniformity and efficiency. From the iconic sesame seed buns to the signature secret sauce, every element of a Big Mac is standardized. This ensures that a Big Mac in New York tastes exactly the same as one in Tokyo. This consistency is key to McDonald's global success, assuring customers of a familiar and predictable experience wherever they go. Behind the scenes, a vast network of suppliers works tirelessly to keep up with the relentless demand. KFC's finger-licking good chicken is another testament to the power of standardized production. Colonel Sanders' secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices is the foundation of their success, replicated millions of times daily in kitchens worldwide. The pressure frying method, a key to KFC's unique flavor and texture, is carefully controlled to ensure consistent results. Sourcing enough chicken to meet global demand is a massive undertaking. KFC relies on a network of poultry farms, raising ethical concerns about animal welfare and the environmental impact of large-scale poultry farming. The company has faced scrutiny over its sourcing practices, with activists and consumers demanding greater transparency and ethical treatment of animals. Domino's Pizza has mastered the art of delivering hot, fresh pizzas to doorsteps around the world. Their centralized production facilities ensure consistent quality and efficient distribution. Each pizza is made to order using fresh dough and a standardized set of toppings. Technology plays a crucial role in Domino's success, from online ordering platforms to GPS tracking systems that optimize delivery routes. The company's commitment to innovation has helped it stay ahead of the curve in the fiercely competitive pizza delivery market. Domino's continues to expand its global reach, bringing its signature pizzas to new markets and satisfying pizza cravings worldwide. Section 5, Feeding Frenzy, the staggering scale of fast food production. The combined global footprint of McDonald's, KFC, and Domino's is, well, staggering. These companies operate tens of thousands of restaurants in over 100 countries, employing millions of people worldwide. Their influence extends far beyond the food industry, shaping agricultural practices, labor markets, and global consumption patterns. The sheer volume of food produced by these companies is difficult to comprehend. Millions of burgers, pieces of chicken, and pizzas are served every day, a testament to the efficiency and reach of their operation. This massive scale of production raises important questions about the sustainability of our food system and the long-term impact on our planet. Section 6. Technologies by automating the fast food industry. Technology plays an increasingly important role in the fast food industry, driving efficiency, consistency, and customer satisfaction. From automated ordering kiosks to robotic kitchen assistants, technology is transforming the way these companies operate. These advancements help to streamline operations, reduce labor costs, and improve order accuracy. Digital menu boards display enticing images of food, while mobile apps allow customers to order and pay for their meals with ease. Data analytics help companies track consumer preferences, optimize inventory management, and personalize marketing campaigns. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more automation and innovation in the fast food industry. Section 7. From farm to tray, navigating the global supply chain maze. The supply chains of McDonald's, KFC, and Domino's are incredibly complex, spanning continents and involving countless suppliers, farmers, and distributors. These chains are the lifelines that ensure your favorite meals are available whenever you crave them. These companies rely on a global network to source ingredients, packaging, and equipment, ensuring a steady flow of goods to their restaurants, from the fields where crops are grown to the factories where ingredients are processed. Every step is meticulously planned. Managing these intricate networks is a logistical feat, requiring sophisticated systems and careful coordination. Advanced technology and real-time data tracking play crucial roles in maintaining the efficiency and reliability of these supply chains. The globalization of the food system has brought both benefits and challenges. On one hand, it has enabled companies to source the best ingredients from around the world, enhancing the quality and variety of their offerings. While it has increased efficiency and lowered costs, it has also raised concerns about food safety, labor practices, and the environmental impact of long-distance transportation. Ensuring that food remains safe and fresh during its journey is a constant challenge. These companies face growing pressure to improve transparency and sustainability throughout their supply chains. They are investing in eco-friendly packaging, renewable energy sources, and fair labor practices to meet the demands of a more conscious consumer base. Section 8. The price of convenience. Ethical and environmental costs. The convenience of fast food comes at a cost. The environmental impact of these companies' operations is significant, from deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions to packaging waste and water pollution. The ethical implications of their business practices are also a major concern, including animal welfare issues, labor exploitation, and the impact on public health. The use of antibiotics in factory farms, the treatment of animals in industrial slaughterhouses, and the marketing of unhealthy food to children are just some of the ethical challenges these companies face. Consumers are becoming increasingly aware of these issues and demanding more responsible and sustainable practices from the fast food industry. Section 9. Balancing act. Can fast food be sustainable and ethical? As global demand for fast food continues to grow, so too does the need for more sustainable and ethical practices. The fast food industry is under increasing scrutiny from consumers and activists alike, who are demanding more transparency and responsibility from these global giants. McDonald's, KFC, and Domino's face the challenge of balancing their massive scale of production with their responsibility to the environment and society. These companies must navigate complex supply chains and ensure that their practices do not harm the planet or exploit workers. This requires a multifaceted approach, addressing issues such as sourcing, packaging, waste management, animal welfare, and labor practices. For instance, sourcing ingredients from sustainable farms can reduce environmental impact, while ethical labor practices ensure fair treatment of workers. Some companies are making efforts to improve their environmental and ethical performance. They are investing in renewable energy, such as solar panels, to power their operations and reduce their carbon footprint. They are exploring alternative protein sources, reducing packaging waste, and introducing plant-based menu options to cater to the growing demand for sustainable food choices, and implementing more sustainable sourcing practices. By partnering with local farmers and suppliers who use eco-friendly methods, these companies can support sustainable agriculture and reduce their overall environmental impact. However, much more needs to be done to address the systemic issues within the fast food industry and create a more just and sustainable food system. This includes tackling issues like food justice, ensuring that all communities have access to healthy and affordable food, and holding corporations accountable for their environmental and social impacts.